Hi everyone, this is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet, and I'm really excited to be posting the first Halloween tutorial for this 2008, and this is the dollar store, the Scariest Trophy tutorial. So I'm gonna make the trophies again. I made it last year. I can try to see if I can leave the link for you guys below. And I got this at the dollar store, so it comes like that. And then I'm using the lightweight clay, because if you use normal like cold porcelain, it's gonna be too heavy and it's not gonna stand still. So this lightweight clay is perfect. So I'm gonna make a long teardrop shape, and I'm gonna try to make the other one exactly the same. I will leave the links for you guys. Amazon has this clay. I think I got this one actually for there because I didn't have white anymore. I will leave the link below so you guys can go to the dollar store and get the clay home, and then you can make it. I made the funniest, the scariest, the cutest, the overall. And if you guys want it, just leave me a like, and if I get a lot of likes in this video, I will put in the next one. So I made it both the same length, the same size, and now I'm just cutting aside the end because I want it to be flat, so it's easier to put in the skull. And I'm gonna cut the other side exactly the same, or kind of the same, to make them both of the same size. And now we're gonna prepare to put the horns on. If you're using this lightweight clay like I'm doing it, it's very soft, very easy to work with. You can see that I bend it very easy, and it dries faster than normal clay, and it sticks everywhere. So it's perfect for this. So I'm just gonna curve and try to curve both the same. You can put, compare and everything. And now you can use a little glue, and we're gonna start gluing on the skull, on the trophy. I was just checking if it was going to work, and I didn't put glue on the side, and it's still glued on. I already painted, it's already dry for like 4 or 5 days, and it's still good. But put a little glue just for the sake of it, but it worked just fine. And now I'm just smoothing out, the outsides, and to be sure then it doesn't have any bumps or anything. So now I'm putting in glue just because I thought, and I was a little skeptical. Oh, can I even say that? I wasn't really trusting that was going to stay without the glue. So I put in the next one. So I will try to see both of them. So you can see we're gonna let it dry like this for a little bit, and then we're gonna keep going with the details. And as I said, I got that at the dollar store for $1, and the clay is kind of really cheap too, and you get a bunch of colors, so it's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna get just a little piece of dough. I'm gonna put right in between the eyes, and I'm gonna start flattening out on the top. I want to make this eyebrows, and like when you frown your face when you're angry, then you have your eyebrows a little squished together, why you want to get the Botox kind of thing. So I'm making be a little bit more marked from that, because the skull has a very flat face right there. So I want him to look angrier, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna just put that there, use my finger to make a separation in the middle, and then I can draw the eyebrows for both sides and make him angry. You get the middle of the eyes and push them together, because you don't want the clay to go inside the eye, where the eyeball will be, and you just smooth it out all over, and he's getting angry. I'm so excited because I make Halloween party. I will show you guys all the decorations. So the trophies is a big deal about it, because everybody wants, so I wanted to be very creative. So I let everything dry for, to the next day. And now I'm using a normal acrylic paint, and I'm gonna cover everything in red. I think it's better to let it dry overnight, because it doesn't mess up your work. You can do it, wait for a couple hours and do it if you're in a rush. But I will wait overnight just to be sure then it's already where you want it to be, then it's already sticking up, and it's not going to change. And the paint and the clay together is not going to make anything weird or bubble up. I don't know. I always wait overnight. So I'm just going to go all over with the red, and we're going to let it dry and start making the new details. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, it's right there. it's not at Cupcakes Gourmet, as Pound Cupcakes Gourmet. If you haven't yet, because there I put the pictures before everywhere else. I do a bunch of different things, so you guys gonna like it. So now we're gonna use acrylic in black, and we're just gonna go inside the eyes to show that it's a little bit more hollow, to pretend that you have a 3D kind of, is going in. So the black always gonna make shadows, and the white always gonna make light. So when you want something to look like it's going like deep, you use the black. Just a thing. And I'm gonna let everything dry, and I'm gonna show what I did after, when it's totally dry, with chalk pastel. See, I made a little shadows all over the face, but I don't have the video, but you can see that my shadow on the nose, a little dark, and the teeth, and the white on the light. If you like this video, you want to see the next one, please give me a like, and I will show you the funniest. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.